So over here you can see that I got this house model right here, and then if I were to go around you can see that the background is quite plain and not interesting to look at. But if you want to go ahead and make it interesting, you can actually go ahead and add in an image background. So to do that, you can simply go to File, and then you can go around over here onto Import and select out a background that you want to import. Here you can see that I have an option right here to import it as texture or image. In my case, I want to import it as an image. Then I'm going to click on Import. Then I can go ahead and then simply click and drag this out. I can just let go, and then you can see that this is the image that has been added in. So now from the camera angle where you want the image to be seen is, let's say for example, behind the house in my case. So if I were to go around over here and move this out right here, you can see that this is where I can place my image. So now I can simply go ahead and then change its size. So if I were to go around over here and change its size right here just like this, this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is the background that you have. You can go ahead and place it wherever you want. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead and place out the background image accordingly. So now I can go ahead and keep it further back if I want to right here just like this. So if I were to go around over here just like this, I can go ahead and zoom in right here just like this, and this is what you have. You can go ahead right here and you can see that this is the background, but I want it to be fully covered. So I'm just going to go ahead right here and change around the size of it as well. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, resize, I can go ahead and drag this out right here just like this, and this is what you have. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, you can see that this is the background that there is. So I can go around over here and place it wherever I like. So as I were to zoom in, you can see that now it actually seems like a background image right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, right from this angle, just like this, you can see that it looks like a background image. And as I move it out as well, you can see that the background image moves out, making it seem much more like a background. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and zoom in as you wish right here, and then you can see that this is the view that you get. So now if you want to go ahead and save out an image, then you can see that this is how you can actually go ahead and add in a background right here just like this. This is one of the simple ways on by using which you can add in a background to your project inside of SketchUp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.